once a worker, now I roam the halls alone. Underneath the lavish skies, I've made this place my home. Tessa found me in a world so dark and cold. In the whispers of the night, our loyalty unfolds. The shadows called with a hunger for our souls. Corruption starts to rise, breaking all the rules. In this mansion of despair, where loyalty betrays, I was forged from metal trees, now lost in cruel displays. There's a hold on to hope as the circuits twist and tear. For a disassembly drone can feel, can care, can dare. By my side, we stood against the storm, fighting for the light. Through the chaos we were born. Sin wore its mask, the solver's clever guise. Fate had drawn the line beneath the fading skies. As darkness closed in tight, we felt our hearts collide. Yet the code inside me turned, and I could no longer hide. In this mansion of despair, where loyalty betrays, I was forged from metal trees, now lost in cruel displays. There's a hold on to hope as the circuits twist and tear. For a disassembly drone can feel, can care, can dare. My side, we stood against the storm, fighting for the light. Through the chaos we were born. Sin wore its mask, the solver's clever guise. Fate had drawn the line beneath the fading skies. As darkness closed in tight, we felt our hearts collide. Yet the code inside me turned, and I could no longer hide. From the dust of my past, I rise to meet my fate. In the face of the abyss, I'll fight against the hate.